afternoon, this is JL Painting Solutions. We showed you the before video, so we've done that post box there with the gold and all the red post box. Post's done. We didn't show you the befores on this side of the barn because it was a TikTok video as well and you only get a minute, but this is the finished article. This is used in B-Deck barn paint, matte finish. So I'd stripped down all the windows, literally. I will put a few pictures on with some few before and afters because we've had to use a product called Repair Care, which is resin-based filler. So you get longevity on the finish. But all your fascias and soffits, all the windows, that little shed thing there has all been done in the same paint. So it's quite a decent, useful multi-surface paint made by B-Deck. Coming around the front of the barn, got all your gates there, same paint. Got this side of the barn. It's a magnificent property, this one. I'll show you when we get round the side. Just finishing up on the last video, sorry, not the last video, on the last side. This was the side that you saw on the before video. So yeah, if you like what you see and you'd like a quote, we do internal and external decorating, plastering, rendering, pebble dashing, wallpaper hanging. Get in touch now on 077 919 39602 or all the w's.jlpaintingsolutions.com or info@jlpaintingsolutions.com. This is taken my team 7 days to complete from start to finish. So yeah, thank you very much indeed.